Good evening.
for Mondays outside afterwards.
What can you say about the occasion forward first?
Qu'est-ce qu'on pourrait dire de l'occasion d'aujourd'hui
Bah,
tout
des
ce qu'il y a
occasions.
entre, non, les occasions, non, pas la journée
Ah.
en soi.
Of course, it was a special day, a special match. It was our first game at home after the airful accident. I think it was important to have this communion with our fans and to give our best to honor our chairman. And I would like to say I'm proud about my player, about their performance, about their mentality in this game. Their success to find the right balance between emotion and professional attitude. They played a good game, a brilliant first half with desire, energy, intensity, a lot of chances. Perhaps the second half it was not enough, but we cannot train in good conditions this week. But it was important to score perhaps in the first half, and the most important thing was to show this mentality and to give our best, and it was stronger than the simple result.
You mentioned getting that balance right between the emotion and the focus. Was it more difficult for you players to do that this week than it was last week?
It was different. It was different, but it was good to remember against Cardiff. It was the first game. It was another emotion, but it's the same. I think after the game against Cardiff, I said my play. It was I was proud about the performance, but proud about their mentality in the game, and I think they learned a lot about themselves, and they found the maturity. I know their character, their strengths all the time on the pitch since the beginning of the season. But I think they showed their maturity in this game to find this balance, and it was a good thing to repeat today this concentration, focus on the game, despite a lot of emotion, of course.
What were the feelings like walking around the pitch at the end?
Around the pitch.
Et comment étaient les sentiments quand on a fait?
But of course, after is the pure emotion. After the game, it's not detailed focus, concentration in football. It was a communion with our fans, and to follow top and tall, to support them, and with fan players, staff, they paid their tributes in this situation. It was fantastic. It was a fantastic connection, and yeah, it's great, and it's a lot of emotion, of course.
Did you feel that intense connection to the title win in 2016, given the people on the pitch with Ranieri and Shakespeare and others on the pitch? Did you feel that connection from 2 years ago?
Yeah, of course, this connection, and to see the former player, former manager come back to honor the chairman, shows the man he was. It was a nice man, close from his manager, from his player, and all the time. All the time he wanted to please people around him, and He was generous, but not generous to offer money or other things. He was generous with his feeling. He was always with a smile. Always he wanted people happy around him. And all the presence of the former manager, player, staff, and the support of our fans shows the quality of this man.
Well, where do you go from here? Is it possible to, as it were, bottle the solidarity that's been shown to you and use that?
Où est-ce qu'on va dès ce moment? Est-ce que c'est possible d'embouteiller cet esprit qu'on a déjà montré, cette solidarité, esprit de corps, esprit de groupe?
I think our desire in the club with the our fan, is to continue his way. Of course, his dream, his work, it changes a lot the life of people in the city, in the club, and all people want to continue to perform for him and for his family. After it will be important every time, every game to play full game with this intensity, with this mentality. But it will be a hard work in training session, because we cannot play, for example, until the end of the season, just a game with emotion. We have we need to have his dream in our head, but also a professional attitude all the day, hard work in training session all the time, and to give our best. And I was proud about my play, for example, today. It was a little disappointment at the end because we didn't success to win. But it was a great performance. It was fantastic about our mentality, about our concentration, focus in this game. It was a draw. Sometimes it will be the same condition, a win. But the most important thing is our attitude, and it's stronger than the simple result today. If we have this mentality to play a good football and to have all the time the desire to perform, we can continue his dream.
Claude, did you get a feeling from in the dressing room of what your players might do if they scored?
Vous avez un sentiment, une idée de ce qu'ils allaient faire s'ils ont marqué un but? Qu'est-ce qu'ils allaient faire pour fêter? Aucune idée.
No, it was a surprise, and it's a pity. It's a shame because it's the first time we didn't success to score a goal since the beginning of the season, and it's just for this game at home. But that is the football.
Well, we now have an international break, 2 weeks with no game. Where possible, will you encourage your players to get away after everything that's happened in the last 2 weeks?
I think it will be a good possibility for some player to have some rest and training session, because we cannot train a lot these 2 last weeks, and it will be important to maintain our fitness level for the next games. And for all the international player, it will be a possibility to play with other teammates. I hope to think other things with their national team, and I hope they will come back with feet and with a good rest for their head.
There was a very moving short film played about Vichy's life before the match. Had the players seen that before? Had they seen that in the dressing room at all? Had you shown them that before the game?
Sur l'écran, avant le match, il y avait des émissions, des images très émouvantes de Vichy. Est-ce que les joueurs ont déjà vu ça ou on a vu ça dans le vestiaire? On va voir.
Yeah, we saw this movie.
Yeah, video.
We saw this video on Wednesday in the training center. I think it was important to see this video before, of course, but now is the day of the game. It was important. When we watched this video, of course, it was a strong emotion, big emotion. And after the movie, all the players, staff, remaining together in silence without the possibility to move a long time. Of course, it was a lot of emotion. And I said, for example, at the beginning, before the game, to success to start the game with the right intensity, pressing, a fantastic kickoff to give the tone, because I saw the fan people watching the video in the stadium, and perhaps at the beginning of the game they cannot have all the support because they were in the emotion. It was our responsibility to start this game with the right intensity, to give the tone, and all people and all play thinking just football and about the match. And I think we took our responsibility because we performed very well all the first half.
Are you saying, Claude, that you feared that it might upset them if they didn't catch up until the game?
Est-ce que vous dites que vous aviez peur? Sorry, the fear of what? Sorry.
Did he fear that it would upset the players? That's why he did it.
Ah, donc est-ce que vous avez peur que voir ces images peut interrompre la concentration, distraire un peu? C'est pour ça que vous avez vu au centre d'entraînement.
Yeah, of course, we have to prepare a game. I said, and I say since the beginning, it's a lot of emotion in the dressing room, and we have to manage this emotion. And we cannot play our game just with the emotion. And it's a time for the emotion, and after a time on the pitch to have a professional attitude, and we have to manage this. And I think it's this situation I found the player improve about our calm, about what they want, about their maturity in this circumstance. And I'm happy about this, of course, because it's a tough, difficult to manage for them. They want to honor the chairman all the time, but they know they cannot honor the chairman. They cannot play a game, a match just on the emotion.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
For Mondays outside.